Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ray B-Town with Stock Talks. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. I hope everybody's falling forward and not backwards. I hope everybody's doing well and holding it down in the stock market, man. I hope you guys are riding out the volatility. I hope you guys are staying bullish and not bearish. Man, I know a lot of people who became bearish, man, and just got really scared about their monies and cashed out. I know a lot of people who's holding it down. I'm one of those people who's holding it down. I don't plan on selling any of my stocks because I've done my due diligence, and I love every single stock that I hold. I apologize that I haven't shot any videos in quite a long time because I'm out here grinding, man, trying to capitalize on some more cash because I just love buying the dip. So yeah, man, things been a little bit quiet. Right now we're just riding the volatility. Right now we're just grinding, getting our hands on some more capital and, continue to keep buying the dip. If you're new to my channel, man, please subscribe, please hit like, please hit the bell. It's your boy Ray B-Town with Stock Talks. In this video, I want to go over ticker symbol APXT. Again, ticker symbol APXT. They are merging with AvePoint. AvePoint, APXT, OMG, man. Delay after delay after delay. So, I just heard recently that the SEC has a tremendous amount of backlog in terms of SPAC, reverse merge companies, that's wanting to go public. So, they have a tremendous amount of backlog, and since APXT is a SPAC, obviously, we are encountering some delay because, again, due to the backlog within the SEC, AvePoint has no control. We have no control. APXT has no control. All right. So in the 52-week high period, we saw that APXT / AvePoint, they hit the high $17 mark. And right now, APXT is trading at $13.15. Wow. Did you guys see that? After hours, man, $13.15. Unbelievable, man. This is amazing. So if you paid attention in the stock market today, APXT was trading in the very, very low $11, man. I was afraid this thing was going to go below 11 bucks. But the news after hours came out. A phenomenal news came out for APXT, and it is in regards their Q1 financial report. You follow what I'm saying? Huge ordeal, man. And give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to multitask here with like 2 phones and everything else, man. But so AvePoint, so the drive, the catalyst that's driving this price up right now after market or after hours is the preliminary Q1 sales report that TJ Jiang had released. Actually, if you guys take a look at your trading platform and just go under news under APXT, you can probably find it on Yahoo Finance as well. But I just saw the alert come up on my feed, man, and I'm reviewing this off the Ameritrade platform. If you actually take a look, TJ Jiang had reported preliminary first quarter 2021 financial results. And the results are phenomenal, man. 38.4 million to 38.8 million, in line with their quarterly revenue expectations. Their subscription revenue is up by 49.3% year over year. That's almost 50%, man. That's phenomenal. Their cash equivalents is approximately 65.8 million as of March 31st, 2021, and the company remains debt-free. I'm not a financial advisor, man. I just wanted to shoot this video and give you guys, some great bullish news that just came out, and giving you my speculative opinion, and also, relaying to you guys in terms of what I'm doing with APXT / AvePoint. Okay, so My speculation in terms of target price, man, has changed due to the entire overall market correction. It has changed for now, but it has not changed overall. So um, we saw APXT high as almost $18 a share at one point in the 52-week period. And we saw APXT trading, throughout this couple weeks, couple months, volatility due to the bond yield conversation and the Fed talk and, inflation talk, etc. And the, you know, all the infrastructure plans that Biden was trying to push out there, um, you know, the stimulus package, things of that nature. So we actually experienced a whole lot in terms of the stock market, and I hope you guys have or rode out the volatility and continue riding the volatility, man, and holding it down. Again, we don't sell here, man. And again, I apologize that I've been MIA. I've been out here grinding, man, just grinding, getting my hands on more money, getting my hands on more cash. Um, buying more of the dip, you know what I mean? Because I've done all my research, man, and I hope you guys done the same thing. I've done my due diligence, and I love all the stocks that I'm investing in, or all the companies, okay? We don't buy stocks, man. We buy companies over here. So, guys, AvePoint continue to have no debt. And another announcement that they have made is AvePoint announced that the board of directors has authorized a share purchase program pursuant to which the company may purchase up to 20 million of APXT common stock. So, that's another one. So right now, the main catalyst I think that's driving this price up after hours is the phenomenal preliminary earnings report that TJ Jiang had released. So now let's talk about target price, man. We all, a lot of us probably were bullish that, APXT was going to hit and surpass $20 a share. Okay, that was then. We need to talk now. So with the market correction and everything else, and APXT, going through the volatility, and the SEC is kind of on backlog, and all the postponements, still no exact merger date, caused a bunch of delays, right? And so we saw the deceleration of the stock. Again, we saw it this morning trading in the low $11, and right now we see it. I saw it high as like 13 and some change. So, I'm very bullish in the short term that we would hit the, the ultimate all-time high that we've seen. But in the long term, again, a long term is over 1 year. Short term is less than a year. So I believe we will hit the 52-week. In the short term and in the long term, I believe that AvePoint, especially when the ticker changes from APXT to AvePoint, I believe that this stock is going to continue to rise in the long term, okay? Because, they are backed up by Microsoft. They're doing business with Microsoft, and Microsoft has been around for such a long time. AvePoint's been doing business for such a long time. They're continuing to grow, as we see per the earnings report that was just released. And they continue to have no debt, man. And also, I'm very impressed with their leadership team, TJ Jiang and team. Very intelligent, very wise, very smart, if you ask me. I don't plan on selling any of my APXT or my AvePoint shares, man. I'm going to continue to keep buying the dip. I'm going to continue to keep buying more because I just love the stock. I just love the company. I love their company, overall company model. I'm feeling and I'm digging their leadership team. So right now, APXT, the AvePoint share price for the stock is very, very affordable. And, I would recommend, if you don't have a position, is to get yourself a position and just hold for the long term, man. I mean, sprinkle some money. Robinhood is a great app. So I actually opened up Robinhood. I have Ameritrade and Stash, and I also trade on Cash App. So I opened up Robinhood, so it allowed me to or gave me the opportunity to buy the dip at a low cost, because I'm kind of out of cash on my long-term portfolio on the Ameritrade side. So I have no choice but to just hold and hold strong, right, until it comes up and get, and some of the stocks come out of the green, and then maybe pivot into some other positions where I can just dag down. But right now, Robinhood is the platform that I'm using, and I'm continuing to buy the dip. So, continue to average down. Um, and I'm just kicking back, man, and just grinding right now. You know what I mean? And just really just capitalizing on some more proceeds, and continue to sprinkle money, fractional shares or whatever the case may be. I mean, if I have $100, $200, available, I go ahead and just dump it on APXT, maybe dump it on ChargePoint. So, or maybe some Bitcoin, Ethereum. So that's kind of what I've been doing, guys, man. So again, this video is really focused on APXT. I have not I have not sold one single share of APXT. I just been buying, buying, and buying. All right, guys. So I hope I gave you guys a warm and fuzzy, man. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel on APXT. I know a lot of you guys was trying to make some money, man, and a lot of you guys are frustrated. But you know what? Sometimes you just got to switch up your train of thought. You know what I mean? So just hold on strong. And, mark my word, man. I think, I'm very bullish on AvePoint and APXT. And in the long term, this price is going to shoot up. 20, 30, 40, 50, times 2, times 3, times 4. And it's just going to take us on a nice journey, on a nice ride. So, again, this is not a get-rich scheme. Just anytime you see your stock dip, especially when it comes down to your price or below, throw some money at them, man. Sprinkle some money at them, especially, they are a well-known, solid company. I would get it if, I would understand if you're afraid to sprinkle some money on a company who hasn't, or is not even, making any kind of revenue right now. I would kind of, I understand that you or I would be reserved in terms of how much money we want to drop. But APXT, again, man, has been around for 2 decades. They're doing business in several continents. They're continuing to grow. So I don't have any kind of bearish feeling or any kind of bearish vibe. I'm all bullish, man. I hope everybody's taking care of themselves. I hope everybody's well. That's all I have for you guys. I just really wanted to touch on APXT and just kind of relate to you guys what I'm doing and what I have been doing while I've been MIA. Again, I just been grinding, getting my hands on more cash, and I have been buying stocks. So again, you're not investing if you're afraid. If you're afraid, you might as well just get out and get into mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs. All right. So me personally, I'm not afraid, man. Investing is all about paying yourself first. Investing is all about, contributing to your investment for the long term. This is not a get rich scheme kind of deal. This is about, get rich or die trying kind of scheme. You know what I mean? We're going to keep trying, and we're going to keep trusting the process, and we're going to continue to keep sprinkling money on our stock, the companies that we love. Again, we buy companies, even Warren Buffett, some of them other YouTubers out there, they say we don't buy stocks, we buy companies. Okay, we invest companies. So we are part ownership of the company, and that's the kind of vibe, and that's kind of train of thought we need to be thinking. We are part ownership of the company. All right. So stay bullish, keep buying more, I can't emphasize enough. And do not panic sell. Don't sell. I don't care if you got to hold your stock for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years. You know what I mean? It will pop. But do yourself some justice, man, and buy the dip. Average down. It's your boy Ray B10. Continue to fall forward and not backwards. Much love from me to you. Again, this is Ray B10 on the go. I appreciate your time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit like. Please hit the bell. It's your boy Ray B10, man. Much love. Peace.